Hello my dear students. Today again we will learn chapter 1 real numbers, sums on Euclid's division algorithm, exercise 1a, question number 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, embossed mathematics book class 10. Look the question number 6. Using Euclid's division algorithm, find which of the following pair of numbers are co-primes. So question number 2 first I am giving, then afterwards we'll give question number 1. So 847 and 2160, whether these two numbers are co-prime or not. In my previous lecture also I explained the points to know whether two numbers are co-prime or not. So here you see point 1, if two numbers are co-primes, then their HCF is equal 1. And if two numbers are not co-prime, their HCF is not equal 1. So our work will be to find the HCF of these two numbers. So we proceed the solution. We find the HCF of 847 and 2160 by Euclid's division algorithm. As we see, 2160 is the bigger number and 847 is the smaller. So we divide bigger number 2160 by smaller number 847. So see how many times you'll go. This is 2160. I think we can give 2 times. So 2 into 847, 27 is 14, carry 1, 248 plus 1 is 9, then 28 is 16. So we get 1694. Subtracting, we get here 6, then again 6, then carry this 7, this 4. So it is 466, the remainder. So we can write for this division, the dividend is 2160, the divisor is 847 into the quotient is 2 plus remainder is 466, and we do the second division. So bring this 847 divided by 466. So see how many times we'll go. 466 divide, so we'll divide 847. So it is only again one time. It is 1 into 466, it is 466. So if we subtract, we get here, this is 1, then this is 671, 614, this is 8, and this is what, 3. So 381. So let us write this 671, 6, this 8, and then 381. So we write here the 847 is equal, the divisor 466 into quotient is 1 plus remainder is 381. So now bring this 466, it is only one time, it is very clear. So it will be 381. Subtracting, we get here 5, and then this is 8, only 85. So we write for this division. So 466 is the dividend, divisor is 381 into the quotient is 1 plus remainder is 85. So by this remainder we will divide the previous divisor 381. So it is again only how many times will go. This is 85, then let's see here 4 times, 4, 5, 20, 0, carry 2, 4, 8, 36 plus 2, 4, 8, 32 plus 2, it is 340. So subtracting, we get here 1, and this is 4. So 41 is the remainder. So right, for this division 381 is equal, 85 is the divisor into quotient is 4 plus the remainder is 41. Now by this remainder 41 we will divide the divisor this 85, so it is only 2 times, it will be 212 and this is 82. So subtracting here is 3, so we take this is the dividend is 85 is equal divisor 41 into quotient is 2 plus remainder is 3. And now we will take this 41, we will divide 41 by this 3, 41 by 3, you see here 3 1 is 3, the 4 is bigger than 3, so we can divide by 3, 3 1 is 3, subtracting we get here 1 and bring that 1, this 1 will come down, 11, so again it will go 3 times, 3 times 3 3 is 9, the remainder will be 2. So we write for this division 41 is equal divisor 3 into quotient is 13 plus remainder is 2, and we carry on the division, bring that 3 here, so 2 1 is 2, then it is 1, so we write for this division 3 is equal, what is 2 into 1 plus the remainder is 1. We have to carry on the division until we get the remainder 0. So this 2 will come now. Now see how many times will go. It is 2 times. The 1 into 2 is 2. Then subtracting we get the remainder 0. So we write for this division, dividend is 2 is equal, this is divisor is 1 into quotient is 2. Look here, the divisor is 1, quotient is 2 and remainder is 0. So since the remainder is 0, so this 1 is the HCF. So we can mark here 1 is the HCF, the remainder is 0. So we can write here, therefore HCF of these two numbers, what are the numbers? 847 and 2160 is equal what? 1. So if the HCF of two number is 1, the two numbers are co-prime. So we have to write the last line, therefore number 847 and 2160 these are co-prime numbers. We can write like this, are co-prime numbers. So that is the answer of the sum. So you have to do the division correctly, and if you get the HCF 1, the two numbers will be co-prime, and if the HCF is not 1, the two numbers are not co-prime. And look next, question number 3, the two numbers are 867 and 255. So 867 and 255. So whether these two numbers are co-prime or not. So we see here 867 is bigger, so we apply the Euclid's division algorithm. We divide the bigger number 867 by the smaller number 255. So we write here, we find the HCF of 867 and 255. So by Euclid's division algorithm, by Euclid's division algorithm, so take the bigger number 867 is equal, see how many times will go, 867, it is only 3 times or 2 times will go, this is thing 35 is 3 times will go, 3 5 is 15, 5 carry 1, 3 5 15 plus 1 is 16, carry 1, 3 2 6 plus 1 is 7, this is 7 6 5, subtracting here is 2, then here is 0, here is 1. So we can write for this division, dividend is 8, 6, 7, then divisor is 2, 5, 5 into the quotient is 3 plus remainder is 102. So by this 102 we will divide 2, 5, 5. So it is 2 times, then 2 2s are 4, then 0 and then 2. Subtracting we get here 1 and 5. So we write for this division 2, 5, 5 is equal 102 into 2 plus the remainder is 51. And now by this remainder we divide this 102. So it is 2 times 51 into 2 is 108. We get the remainder 0. So we write for that 102 is equal, look here, the divisor is 51 and the quotient is 2 and the remainder is 0. So when the remainder is 0, the previous divisor, that is here 51 is the ACF. So here see, the remainder is 0, this 51 is the ACF. We can show by drawing a square. So we can write therefore ACF of these two number 8, 6, 7, 2, 5, 5 is equal what is 51. So now ACF is equal 51, that means the ACF is not 1. So we can write since ACF of these two number 8, 6, 7, 2, 5, 5 is not equal 1. So if it is not equal 1, that means the two numbers are not prime. So we have to write therefore 8, 6, 7 and 2, 5, 5 are not co-prime numbers. So next we will do, so here we have given 2 and 3, so next I will do number 1. So this is the answer of this sum. So there are 4 sums in this question. So next is question number 1 and 4 will give. So now is question 6, sum number 1, 272 and 1032. So we see 1032 is bigger than 272. So we find the HCF of this 272 and 1032 by Euclid's division algorithm. So as 1032 is bigger than 272, we divide 1032 by 272. So see how many times will go. This is, I think, only 3 times will go. 3 into 2, 6, 3, 7, 21, carry 2, then 3 to 6, 8. So 8, 1, 6. Subtracting we get here 6, then 1 and then 2. 2, 1, 6. So right, for this division, dividend 1032, then what is the divisor? 272. The quotient is 3 and remainder is 216. So we carry on the division. So by 216 we divide 272. So it is only one time will go, 216. Subtracting we get here 6 and then here is 556. So right, for this division, see, dividend is 272 and what is the divisor? It is 216 into quotient is 1, look here, and the remainder is 56. So we continue our procedure until we get the remainder 0. So now by 56 we divide 216. So see how many times will go. It is only 3 times. So 3 into 6, 18, carry 1, 3 into 5, 15, plus 1, 16. Subtracting, here is 8, then here is, I think it will be 4, 48. So right, for this division, 216 is equal 56 into 3 plus the remainder is 48. So now is by this 48 we divide 56. How many times? Only one time, as we see. It is 48. Subtracting here we get 8. So we write this division. Dividend is what? 56. Divisor is what? 48. And what is the quotient? 1. See here, 48 is the divisor. Quotient is 1. And what is the remainder? It is 8. Our division will continue unless we get the remainder 0. So bring this 48 divide by 8 now. How many times? It is 6 times. So 8 into 6 is 48. Subtracting we get what? 0. The remainder is 0. It means the previous divisor 8. 8 is the HCF. So let us write for this division. Dividend is 48 is equal, divisor is 8 into quotient is 6 plus remainder is 0. As the remainder 0, this is our HCF 8. So here we can make a box to show the HCF, and we write HCF of this 272 and 1032. What is coming? 8. So we can write here, since HCF of these two number 272 and 1032 is not equal 1. So if the HCF is not equal 1, that means the two numbers are not co-prime. So here 272, therefore 272 and 1032 are not co-prime numbers. Are not co-prime numbers. So that is the answer of the sum. So we have to remember, if we get HCF other than 1, the numbers are not co-prime. So since we write here, since HCF is not equal 1, so this and this are not co-prime numbers. Next, question number 4. So the last question of this question number 6, just little adjustment, and then we do this number. So here we see the two numbers are 616 and 309. The bigger number is 616. So we write here, we find the HCF of 616 and 309 by Euclid's division algorithm. We take the bigger number 616 as the dividend. So I divide it here, 616 divide by the smaller number 309. It will be only one time, so it is 309. Dividing, it is 7, then this is 0, and then here is 3. So we can write for this division, dividend is 616. So divisor 309 into the quotient is 1 plus remainder is 307. By this 307 we will divide this 309. See, only one time will go, 307. Subtracting we get here 2. So we write for this division 309 is equal, see the divisor is 307 into quotient is 1 plus remainder is 2. And by this remainder divide 307, and look the division here, the 3 is bigger than 2, so we give only one time. 2 1 is 2. We can divide 3 by 2, so only one time. 2 1 is 2, and subtract here 1 and bring this 0 down now. So this is 10 now. So how many times? It is 2 5 is 10, and then bring that 7 now. So we bring the 7 down, and then it is 3 times. So 2 3 is 6. Then here is what? 1. So we write for this division, it is 307. Dividend is equal, the divisor is 2 and the quotient is 153 plus the remainder is what? 1. So we have to continue the division until we get the remainder 0. So by 1 we will divide that 2. So it is only 2 times. 1 into 2 is 2. Subtracting we get here 0. So when the remainder is 0, the last divisor is the HCF. So HCF will be 1 here. So write for this division first. The dividend is 2. Dividend is 2. Divisor is 1 into quotient is 2 plus the remainder is what? 0. So when the remainder is 0, this 1 is the HCF. So here we can show, suppose this is the HCF. So we can write hence HCF of these two number. So what is 616309? Hence HCF of these two number, HCF of these two number is equal what? 1. So hence HCF of these two number equal 1. So if HCF is 1, therefore we can write 616 and 309 are co-prime numbers, co-prime numbers. So that is the answer of the sum. So just look it carefully. Here I have written hence HCF of 616 and 309 equal 1. So if we know if the HCF of two number is 1, the two numbers are co-prime numbers. So that is the answer of the sum, and we will continue our work. So you keep on attention in my lecture. Thank you, my dear student, for today. Thank you.